I've had a great experience talking to all the new students, the culture and everything that they bring. It's just an experience, and I love it.
I like the fact that it was a very diverse atmosphere. I got to see some of the new students that's coming in and got to experience the campus.
It helps to kind of bring everything that you've read online together. I think it's super important. The nerve-wrackingness of having somebody go to college makes them feel a little bit better, and it makes this huge school a lot smaller.
I thought that all the people talking about their unique traits was really interesting. I like to hear all the responses.
It's been extraordinary. I'm having the time of my life.
What did y'all think of like the workshops and stuff like that?
I think they were very interactive, and I'm happy they let us ask questions, so anything that I need to know about, I could find that out.
It was very helpful. I got to go and learn about like transfer tips.
I think it's important because it gives us an opportunity to see the campus, to interact with the students, and just really feel connected to the campus. And I think that it's done that for not just her, but for us too, to feel comfortable sending her here.